For the first scramble, the cross looks like this, and you have two free pairs, which is lucky, and you did it like this. So you did your F2 like this, but instead you should do it like this, and then just a free pair, insert it right away. So moving on to the next pair, you look ahead to these two, and while you were doing this, you look ahead to these right here, so which is really good. And then for last layer, you did soon, and then R-perm, pretty standard, and that's it for solve 1. Now for the next cross, it looks like this, and then you executed the cross like this. But what would I do is I'll execute it like this. For the first pair, you did these right here. Not anything wrong here. In second pair, you did like this. You didn't need that U2 to set it up like that. You can just go straight ahead like that. And for the next pair, you did these two. But for the last pair, you did it like this. Instead of doing that, you should have just done a sledgehammer and an insert. So in OLL, you did like this. You didn't need that kind of F. You can just go regrip and then do it like that, because you can execute it faster. And then in Y-perm, you also did the same way. Like, it's faster when you regrip, and it's PLL anyway. So that's it for solve 2. So the third scram looks like this, and what you did for cross is like that. Put in F12, you did the U prime, and then look back. So that was unnecessary, because the F12 pair is already in front. But your solution was okay, so you did like this. And then you look ahead to these two right here, while you inserted this pair. But you inserted the pair in the back. So inserting the pairs at the back is a good idea, but in this case, it's better to insert it at the front, because now you can have this pair and solve it like that. So anyway, you did last pair like this. But the better alg for this is doing a U prime, and then through rough, and then insert. So in OLL is pretty standard, and F perm. So for the fourth scram, it looks like this. And what you did is like this. But what you could have done is inserting this first, and it forms this pair right here, and then do a U to preserve it, and then solve the rest, and then straight up inserting that one. So after the cross, you rotated, and then did a pause and do U prime, and then goes and then did this pair. So you pause at that time, so you could just see this right away, or you could look ahead to these two pieces. So in the third and fourth pair, you did like this after inserting that one. it cancel in to the fourth pair, which is nice. And for OLL, your finger tricks or OLL was like this, so no problem here. And PLL, pretty standard. So in the last solve, the cross looks like this, and what you did here is D2, L, F, and R prime. However, what you should have done is, before your last move, you should do EU prime and finish it, because you know you should have gone these right here. So anyway, here's what you did. So anyway, the third pair, you did these right here, and then a free pair, and then OLL and PLL. So overall thoughts, I recommend to not overuse this finger trick, and know when to regrip and know when to not. So yeah, so that's it for this critique, and hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, bye.